Well, the husband or the somebody from the
ठीक
state.
थी मैडम, मेरी
You-
बीवी ठीक थी.
Well, all I'm saying, well, it can't be
हम
our
आगे
responsibility.
गलती
It
कर
can't be our
संग
responsibility.
संग ऑपरेशन कर दिया रात को सर मैडम.
Well, husband can't abandon the wife.
कोविड बोले कोविड हो गया है उस समय, कोविड का समय तक कोविड हो गया.
Well, the entire discharge summary, not discharge summary, well, the patient summary up to date is there, my lord.
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
My lord, I pay for the state, my lord.
My lord, your lordship had passed the order.
Of personal appearance of respondent number
My lord,
896
please
personally
lodge.
present. My lord, here is the compliance report.
Is he there?
Yes, my lord, he is the
All right. What is his name?
My lord, Jai Prakash Gupta is the respondent number 8.
What is your name?
जयप्रकाश गुप्ता.
What do you do?
नहीं सर, अंग्रेजी नहीं सर.
Please come forward.
আপনি কি করেন?
दुकान है.
दुकान है आपका?
हाँ.
आपका बीवी हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती हुआ है?
हाँ.
कितना दिन हो गया है?
3.5 साल हो गए मैडम.
हाँ, तो फिर आपने उसको वापस क्यों नहीं लाया है?
मैडम
66 is the order, my lord, which has been passed. My lord, the commission had said that we must come before a court of law. Your lordship will see order is at page 66. And my lord, the relevant portion is page 67, first 2 lines. If your lordship sees the order, my lord, 42-year-old patient Poonam Gupta was admitted at Apollo 15 September 2021. According to C, the clinical establishment, the patient had neurological problems that had been taken care of and due treatment has already been given to her. According to the treating doctor, she is fit to discharge. However, the patient's relatives are not coming to get her discharged. She is overstaying at the hospital premises for more than 2 years. No payment has also been made on such account. We have received a complaint from the CE dated 2nd May 2024. We have mailed it to Shri Jaiprakash Gupta, the person responsible for the discharge of the patient. He is absent. We feel, despite notice he is absent, we feel it is high time CE should approach court of law for resolution of the unpleasant situation. With
Now,
these
what will the
observations-
court of law do? उनका कोई है? माता पिता कोई है?
and can move around.
नहीं
I'm
स्टेबल
instructed.
मैडम
That's what I'm
फोटो
instructed.
दिखाते हैं.
My lord,
स्टेबल हो जाएगा तो
he
अगर-
was ready for discharge from 1st October 2021. She was ready for discharge from that time.
What does she do in the hospital now? She occupies a bed.
She's occupying a bed for 4 years now, my lord.
फोटो देख
He
लीजिए
just-
मैडम.
Every time, my lord, we
आप
give
खुद डिसाइड करिए. ये लोग बोल रहे हैं कि हम जाते नहीं हैं. सीसी कैमरा ये लोग को पूछिए, हम नहीं जाते हैं तो कहाँ से आया?
my lord,
आप फोटो
कब गए थे?
देखिए. हम लोग
Well,
कहाँ
and-
जाएंगे?
we have taken care of her, my lord. Everything, the treatment, doctor's treatment, and my lord, the report of the doctor, everything is annexed here, my lord. If your lordship sees,
No, see, you have seen the condition of the husband.
my lord, I am instructed, my lord, this is obviously not on record. The husband has already started an alternative family. That is why he doesn't want to take her. All these, my lord, the reasons which he's saying right now,
Maybe
possibly not right.
it is.
this is the first time he's come before any authority because of the police, my lord. Otherwise, he wouldn't have
नहीं,
come
हमको
also.
पुलिस ने बुलाया
Your
कि
lordship
चलो
has seen, my lord,
कोर्ट में
even
हमको
before
कोई
the
arrest करके नहीं
West
बुलाया.
Bengal Regulatory Commission, he was, despite notice, he was absent. My lord, in this proceeding also, my lord, we had given him notice. He did not.
आपका बच्चे का उम्र क्या है?
बच्चा भी माध्यमिक दिया.
Was hospitalized because of a motor vehicle accident.
हो गया.
He was brought in.
अब
My lord, after that, my lord, treatment was done on 1st of October. My lord, there is whatever treatment, my lord, it depends on what kind of accident it was.
If you say
Had given a
if
certificate.
you say that the patient can be discharged,
Yes, my lord.
you can keep her in your hospital. You can utilize her services if she is able to do it, because the husband says that she is not in a position to move. Do you get it?
As a hospital, my lord, we'll engage her services. My lord, I have
The
to
bed
take
can
instructions on that,
the
my lord,
bed
but I-
can be kept vacant for other patients. And if I do not know,
Yes, my lord.
if you say that the patient can be discharged, nobody is willing to take her.
Well, discharge may not be discharge in the sense that someone else can take care of her. The family can take care of her. It need not be that she has to be kept in the hospital.
I understand. I have followed it,
Yes,
but
madam.
a situation of this type has arisen. Now you have to find out a solution also.
Well,
How
that's
is
why
the
we've
patient
also
condition?
The instruction from the hospital is she is stable. She can respond. She can talk.
She can't move.
With support, she can move. She is in sitting in the wheelchair. Or chair, she can sit for a long time, wheelchair, but needs a support to stand.
Well, from the report I had seen that she was paralyzed bottom down because of the accident, and that was in 2021. After that, several surgeries have also been done on her, and now we can't keep her indefinitely as a hospital, a commercial hospital at the end of the day.
Yeah,
All this while we've kept her for 4.5
what is the alternative that you
The
suggest?
state will take care of her.
No, the state doesn't have this facility.
We have
Something
facility,
has to
but
be
we
done,
don't.
in that case,
Something-
it can't be our responsibility, and we are it's more than a crore is outstanding. Whatever 6 lakhs which was payable by the insurance, that's already been covered. But we can't keep her indefinitely. It's the husband's responsibility at the end of the day.
Now
And
you
if not the
see,
husband,
for
it's the
humanity's sake, you cannot throw her out
But we are
also.
not. That is why we've come before your
Now
lordship.
the state is not in a position. The state doesn't have this facility of caregiving.
बोल नहीं पाती
My lord,
है, खाना नहीं
If
खाने
your
पाती
lordship
है।
sees the
I look
reliefs
like
we
a
are
fit
seeking,
है।
it includes framing some guidelines. or
Then
something.
framing, let them frame.
But in the meantime, I'm
In
saying
the
that
meantime,
something has to be done, my lord.
yes,
Something
something
can't be-
means something
But
you'll
either
have
the
to come out.
Well, it's either the husband takes the responsibility immediately, or the state with the husband, something has to be done. It can't be, this situation can't continue.
जो मैडम डॉक्टर बाबू जो इलाज करा था उसका कोई
आपने मामला क्यों नहीं कर
Or the hospital.
सर मैडम हम कहाँ से इतना पैसा
My
लाके
lord,
हम मामला करेंगे
My lord,
ये लोग
this,
तुरंत हाई कोर्ट में चला
my lord, the West Bengal Regulatory
Huh?
Commission, with the Clinical Establishment Regulatory Commission, which has been formed. If a complaint is filed against the clinical establishment, the commission takes up these matters. Only a complaint on a paper has to be filed, nothing else. Nothing has been done all this while. No cost is incurred by the complainant for these reasons, my lord. He could have done that. The commission has been in place for the last 3 years.
If any order, any kind of order is passed, my lord, that regarding the discharge of the patient, but it will be a precedent. Then, my lord, entire private hospitals as well as these state general hospitals will suffer. Because, my lord, this is the duty of...
Mr. Chakraborty,
this
you
is the
please
duty-
get in touch with the AG,
Yes.
right? Let something be on place, because this may not be the solitary instance. There may be instances, others also. Apollo has come up. You never know. There are instances,
Maybe.
right? So, what is the way out? Whether the state has any regulation in place or not is to be looked into.
My lord.
This is serious. That will be a
My lord, but
serious issue.
what is my instructions is, my lord, on the last occasion, lordship has
Yes,
the details of the instructions which I have submitted.
yes, that I remember, that you do not have the
Those are all
Oh,
free.
all free.
All free.
All
But
right,
they
but
don't have any medical facilities. That's the problem. All free service.
She needs a regular support system, not
who is
medical
going
system.
to provide?
The state or the
Free
husband.
amount.
State
We
doesn't
can't-
have, and the husband is also.
Are free. She does not need medical treatment anymore at this
No,
point.
she doesn't. She cannot move.
She needs to be in a wheelchair and go on.
Who is going to do it?
The husband or the somebody from the
ठीक
state.
थी मैडम मेरी
You-
बीवी ठीक थी
All I'm saying, it can't be
हम
our
आके
responsibility.
डॉक्टर आके गलती
It
कर
can't be our
संग
responsibility.
संग ऑपरेशन कर दिया रात को सर मैडम
A husband can't abandon the wife.
कोविड बोले कोविड हो गया है उस समय कोविड का समय तक कोविड हो गया
The entire discharge summary, not discharge summary, the patient summary up to date is there, my lord. This is the
Let it
maximum we
remain.
can do, my lord.
Please get in touch with the AG and apprise him of the problem
Lordship.
and what can be the way out.
My lord.
When do I keep the matter?
1 week. After 1 week.
But he should also be directed to be
Next
present. on that day.
Wednesday.
Next.
Please come. The respondent number 8, Jayaprakash Gupta, is produced in court by the police of the Amma Street police station. Stop. He has expressed his intention of not being able to take back his wife, as according to him, his wife is not in a position to either speak properly or move around freely. Stop. The private respondent has submitted that he does not have the means to take care of his disabled wife. Stop. Paragraph. The learned advocate representing the state has already placed on record that the state-run shelters do not have the expertise, and that the staff of the state-run shelters do not have the experience and the expertise of handling ailing or recovering patients. Stop. Paragraph. The condition of the patient is such that she requires a support to move around, she is wheelchair bound. Stop. Paragraph. The learned advocate general is directed to enter appearance in the matter on behalf of the state respondents and suggest remedy of the solution which the hospital is facing at present. He released the matter on 9th April. Stop. The respondent number 8 shall remain personally present on the next date.
This
report of the officer in charge, Amma Street Police Station, signed on 2nd April 2025, be written with the records.
His presence.
Oh, yes. अगला बुधवार को आपको
bike and she fell and there was severe traumatic brain injury. So I suppose she was with her husband only as a...
Yes, call the next one.
Save her life at that point of time.